Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro. Today we're going to go over how to install the Lagun Table for your RV or marine use. So the tools you'll need for this project will be a drill, an impact, drill bits, and a screwdriver bit for your impact. This project should be about a 5 to 10 minute install. Let's get straight into it. Once you've located where you want to install the base of the table, use the 4 Phillips head screws to secure in place. Note that you should have a solid surface to screw these into. Now you just need to slot the arm in and use the handle to tighten it down. Now go ahead and locate where you want to install the table mount bracket. We recommend the center of the table for the best stability for the table. Once this is done, go ahead and use the Allen head screws and tighten the bracket down to the table. Please note that if you don't have an Allen bit, you can use a Torx bit, but be wary that this might be leading to stripping the screw out if you don't have the correct size. Now go ahead and insert the tabletop into the arm and tighten it down with the handle. As you can see, this was a quick and easy install that, again, took you about 5 to 10 minutes. If you'd like to know more about the product, click the link in the description below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.